Hello Analytics Funners, welcome to Analytics Fun again. Today we will learn about the OR function in Excel. Now we are on the Excel and the syntax of the OR statement is you have equal statement separated by comma, and OR function returns true if any of these arguments evaluate to true, and OR function returns false if all the argument evaluates to false. Okay. So we will implement this OR function through a practice exercise. So there is a school and school has conducted an examination for 6 students. We have Ramesh, Sudhir, Rakhi, Priyanka, Abhishek and Amrit. And school has conducted 3 tests, first test, second test and third test. And if a student has passed in any of these tests, you should consider the student as passed. And if the student has failed in all of these 3 tests, then the student should be considered as failed. Okay, so let's see that how to implement this in Excel. So we need to compare the result of the 3 tests, first test, second test and third test. So there will be 3 arguments in the OR function. So let's start. We'll write equal to OR result of the first test equal to, write yes in the double quotes and then write comma. Then compare the result of the second test again with the yes, which OR will evaluate it to false again, then again comma. Result of the third test equal to yes again. So OR will evaluate, compare all these values to the yes. For example, B2 is equal to yes, it is false because in B2 we have no. So OR will evaluate the first argument to false. Similarly, OR will evaluate the second argument to false, and similarly, in the third one, OR will evaluate again to false. So all the argument will be evaluated to false. So the result will be false. You can drag this to the bottom. And now we can see Sudhir has passed the second examination. So he has considered as pass. Similarly, Rakhi has passed the examination in the first go. But Priyanka has not passed the examination in the first go. She has passed the examination in the second go. So she is also passed. Abhishek has passed the examination in the third go, so he is also considered as passed. But Amrit has failed in all the examination, so she is considered as failed. Okay, so this is how you implement the OR statement in Excel. Thank you Analytics Funners for watching this video, and let us know in the comment section below if there is any video you would like us to create next.
Analytics Funners, we hope that you have enjoyed this video. Support us by clicking on thumbs up icon and subscribe our channel for more such updates. Thank you Analytics Funner. See you in the next one.